Hi guys, welcome back to Love Cooking with Toghfah. Today I'm making Viennas and chips takeaways. So over here I just have potatoes that I cut up, and here we go, that I put into the fridge, and it's nice and cold now, so I'm going to put it onto the dishcloth, dry it off, and then I'll fry it, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. And my oil is heating on medium high. Once I've dried off the chips, I will show you how to fry it. Just dry it off like that. There we go. And now we'll move over to the other side. So this is where the magic happens. My oil is heating on medium high on this side of life. Here we go. So the reason why it's on medium high and a lot of oil in the pot is because my husband wants slap chips. And now I'm adding the rest of the potatoes in. The chips. And guys, when you're making slap chips, I just let the oil drip on the roller towel in the colander, and then I put it into a bowl that has a lid on it. So I'm going to fry these chips, and I will show you what it looks like when I take it out. Slap chips has been frying for about 5 minutes, and you can see that it just changed its color. That's when you take it out. So I'm going to take the chips out now and put it into the colander with some roller towel. And the reason why I put it into the fridge is because I need it to stay firm, and also the low heat will make sure that the fries fry all the way through to the center of the chip, and you don't bite into a chip that's hard. So guys, like I mentioned, I'm going to transfer the chips into a bowl with the lid. There we go, that's the bowl. I just put the chips over. I season it with some salt, and then I put the lid on top and I fry the rest of my chips. So with the Viennas, I'm just going to remove the skin of it. Like that. And you can cut your Vienna any which way you prefer, but I will show you how I do mine. So I basically just slit it all the way down the center. I'll show you again. There we go. And we'll fry it in the same oil we fried the chips. So this is the last of the chips that needs to come out now. And then I'm going to show you the dealio with the Viennas. I'll just drop it in slowly, and then I will fry it in the oil, deep fry it in the oil until it opens up, and then I'll take it out and I'll show you what that looks like when I get to that stage. So the Viennas has now rise to the top. It started at the bottom, now we're here. Sorry, I just had to. The Viennas has opened up. You can cut it the way you prefer. I just cut mine like this. And now I'm going to take it out of the oil. And also just put it on a roller towel. over to the slack chips. I just have foil and baking paper. Peri-peri, but you can use cayenne pepper. I have the slack chips and the Viennas. I'll put slack chips on baking paper and foil. There we go. As you can see, we need to show you the quality of the slack chip. Perfect. Going to eat this now. The perfect amount of salt and everything. Peri-peri. And I'm just going to sprinkle it over the chips like that. And now I'm going to add the Viennas on top. Like that. So my husband doesn't eat any sauces except mustard sauce, so you'll probably have mustard sauce with these. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. My daughter is a little bit cranky. And what I'll do is I'll add some more peri-peri